boy Markel back at it again with another video for y'all. You already know what it is, man. I know y'all see him, bro. I got the new Meta Ray-Ban glasses on. The prescription too, my boy. You feel me? And they got the lenses that turn, basically they call them transition lenses. So if I go outside and it's sunny, you know, they just go down, they turn into sunglasses. So I technically never got to take them off. So basically in this video, I just want to give y'all a couple, you know, share little features that come with it that I learned today since I just got them today. And depending on how this video go, I might just give y'all more information on things that I, you know, find out while using these things. So if you like the video, subscribe, like the video, and comment below if you have any questions or you just want to see more. But anyways, let's go ahead and get straight into it, man. So first of all, the biggest thing, so y'all know what it is. They're, you know, meta related. So you just say, you know, hey, yeah, I don't want to say it because I don't want them to like listen for me. And then, you know what I'm saying, I have to ask a question or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But there was one cool feature that I really thought was awesome is the fact that it can literally look at what you're looking at the moment and tell you and like describe it to you. You know what I'm saying? So I'll be like, you know, say the word and be like, what's in front of me or what I'm looking at. It'll be like, yo, you're looking at a TV with a camera, a mic, and a laptop. Like, it will describe everything that's there. And I thought that was pretty cool. Another thing that it can do is that if you want to say, like, you see somebody's dog, you ask it like, hey, what type of dog this is. It'll tell you literally what type of dog it is. It's pretty cool, not gonna lie. You can ask it questions like, when was World War II, or when was the tallest building in the world built. Like, anything you can think of, you can ask it. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty cool. And as you guys can tell, they look like regular glasses, but you can just see the camera, right? Kind of see the camera, you know what I'm saying? Right there. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. You just see the cameras there, but it looks like regular glasses. You know what I'm saying? And then another thing is there's a button right here that you can press. You press that button to I know, answer, hang up, you know, calls. You press it to, you know, take a photo. You hold it to, you know, record. I also learned that I thought like when you do videos, I thought when you're recording, you can switch it in the moment, like as you're recording at the same time, but I guess you can't unless you're like FaceTiming someone, maybe. I think that's what you're able to do. But when it comes to like recording, like in the middle of recording, you can't switch it. So if you're at a live performance and you're on your phone, you want to switch it, you can't. You have to start with your glasses, which is really nice actually, because you can stream like you're just watching. You can stream. Yeah, that's another thing. You can stream with them. But you can watch the concert and you're just looking at the concert. You're chill, your arms down, you're there in the air, whatever you're doing, you ain't got to worry about it because they're recording. And of course, they only have, another thing I learned is that when you record, there's a certain limit. So you can record up to, I think right now there was an update to where you can record up to 3 minutes. It's a privacy thing, which is really nice, not gonna lie. And what I've been told is that they have, I don't know which side it is, but one of these has like a light that flashes when you're taking a photo or recording, just so it can be, you know, informing the people in front of you that you're recording or taking a photo. So yes, that's really nice. It's good for privacy reasons. I like that a lot. And another thing is that it has like this thing on the side here. So if I tap it, it'll play music. You can connect it to Apple Music, Spotify, whatever you listen to music, that they're updating this all the time. So they're adding new features like all the time. So I was lucky to get it when they had Apple Music already on it. So I connected to it. I tap it, it plays Apple Music. You can slide it to the front. It turns up the volume. You can slide it to the back. It turns down your phone's volume. So it's pretty cool. I really like it. I think I'm gonna be using it to, you know, when I go on like concerts or when I go on trips and whatnot, and I just want to record what's in front of me on live stream on Facebook or Instagram or something like that. I'm definitely going to use it for that. I also think I'm gonna use it when I do like videos like this, of course. Matter of fact, I might as well test out the video for you guys so you can get a look of everything that I'm looking at right now. So let's go ahead and put these on. Let them sync. It's really cool because once you put them on, it does like a little sound, so you know that they're on. And there's a button somewhere, I'm not sure where, but you can turn them off because they do have a battery life as well. So, and another thing that a lot of people don't know is that the case itself, matter of fact, let me go ahead and show you guys the case. This is the case right here, right? It's pretty cool. I like it, you know, Meta, Ray-Ban, Wayfarer, all of that. You just open it up like this. You know what I'm saying? And there they go, right there. You know what I mean? That's the sunglasses case there. This case, something that I didn't know is that this case charges the glasses. Like you put it in and it literally charges it. So you charge the case, take it wherever you want, and charge the glasses when they need to be charged. And then up here, there's the wipe to clean off the glasses. I don't know if there's a spray or whatever. I think she said that you can use water. Just put a splash of water on the wipe and then clean them, not directly on there. Another thing that she mentioned is that the glasses is filled with a whole bunch of mics. I think she said about 5 of them. So if you need to, if it's not catching your voice, you can go into the app. Once you go into the app, you can change how many mics you want it to listen for, right? So that's pretty cool if it's not working for you. But other than that, this is the case. And it literally charges your glasses. It looks like this. See, I light it up green. I got my regular glasses inside just to hold it. You know what I'm saying? But there's a thing right here that goes to that part right here in the middle that charges it. So it looks really nice. I really like it. It looks like a normal glasses case, and it charges it. You can take wherever you want. And then as you can see in the middle here, it glows, so that means that the battery life is good. You put it in there and it will charge the glasses. So that's the glasses case there. Really quickly, like I said, I wanted to, you know, test out the camera and give you guys what it looks like and the quality of that and what that will look like. So let's go ahead and test it out real quick. Let's do a video. I just got to hold it down. And now it's recording. There's also a light on the inside that lights up green to let you know that you're recording in the moment. But I'm gonna switch the camera. I'm gonna switch the view to the glasses right now. So this is what I'm looking at now. You can see I got the GoPro, my mic, and my laptop. You know what I'm saying? You see your boy looking spiffy, yes sir. And then my PlayStation 5 scuff controller. But anyways, that is the view. You can see that the quality is really nice. I'm gonna stop the recording. Simple as that. It makes a noise to let me know that the recording is done. I just have to go into the app, and then once I go to the app, I can, you know, upload the photo into my my gallery. And then once you connect on Wi-Fi, you can, you know, it'll be instantaneously uploaded to your photos. Really quickly, I just want to go into the Meta View app. That's what it's called. It's called the Meta View app. And this is what it looks like here. You know, I don't know if you can see very well what's going on the screen, but you can see that it shows the charging up here. You can see the charging right up here, what you can do with it and all that stuff. And then right here is the recording. So all I have to do, I'm pretty sure I just tap it. Let me see. Yeah, I tap it. There it is. I just click it right there. And then I just click import. And now I have to connect to the Wi-Fi, I'm pretty sure. Let me connect to the Wi-Fi. That's all I have to do here. But I connect to the Wi-Fi and it'll send it to my gallery. So that's another cool feature, and that's what it looks like when you record. You can listen to music. Also, another thing is you can talk to, make phone calls. It's really nice. I tested that out. My girlfriend heard me very clearly, and I heard her very clearly. Like the audio goes straight to your ears is what it sounds like. You put it on and it sounds like it goes like this when the audio comes out, right? So that's what it sounds like. It's really nice. It's very clear. I like it a lot. It doesn't interrupt the sound. Also, when you record, it's really nice. It has like a surrounding thing. So if somebody's on my right side and I'm recording from my glasses and I move this way, you can hear that they're still right here in the video. So it's really nice that it has that surrounding and, you know, feature when it comes to recording and stuff like that. And I'm pretty sure it's the same when you, you know, go live streaming as well. So that's a couple of the features I can think of right now. I'm trying to think of any other things. Let me see here. I do know the app, it keeps track of what you did in the day, the questions, if you recorded, if you took photos, like, so you can know how much activity and what you did throughout the day with your glasses. So that's pretty cool. Um, and I'm trying to think of anything else I can think of. There's so many things I'm just trying to think of for you guys. But other than that, that's like the biggest things that really like popped out. Another thing is, if you do wear these for the first time, they kind of feel weird because like, it feels like you're zoomed in, like it gets clear and you can like see the outside a little bit. It's something just to adjust to. So definitely take some time, and they are prescription, like I said earlier. So I don't really have to take them off, especially when I go in the sun, because they have the transitions. Another thing is, like you see, they don't really bounce any light. The light goes through it pretty well when you take photos or when you're recording and stuff like that. So I really enjoy these glasses. I think a lot of you guys will enjoy it. I think it's worth it, especially if you have vision insurance. Definitely utilize that. That's what I did, because these are about like $400 to $500. I was able to drop it down to $268, and then I got the transitions where brought it up to like 300 something. So I was able to get it for that much. So definitely utilize your insurance if you want to get these, or if anything, if you just want to get them anyways, go ahead. I really think it's worth it. The whole Meta thing is really nice. Being able to ask questions, be able to see if you don't know what something is. It also, that's another thing. If you see like language that you can't read, you can be like, hey, translate it, and it will tell you what it says. So there's a lot of things that come with these glasses that I really enjoy. And if I come into anything else, a list of stuff that I feel like I didn't touch on today, and depending on how this video goes, I will do another video. If you guys have questions, please comment below and I'll try and answer those questions as well. Another thing is, if you keep them on, when it comes to battery life, and you use them a lot, they can last about 8 hours, and then you just put them right back in the case to charge up. Or if you just want to wear them, since they're prescriptions or not, you can just turn them off and just wear them as normal glasses. So they're really nice. And there's certain things that you like, they only come in this like look. They also have a bulky looking version one, but I got the more slim version because it looks natural. The only thing is the cameras. Like I said, it's really good. A lot of people are out there worrying about the privacy thing. I don't think that's an issue, because like I said, it does like a light. It flashes the light when you're recording or when you're taking a photo. So that's a big thing that a lot of people are worried about, and especially the look. As you can tell, they look like regular glasses. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment below if you have any questions, or if you just want me to, figure out some more features to share with you guys. Comment those. Subscribe to the channel, you know what I'm saying? And like the video as well, man. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys got to actually see what they look like, and feel a little bit more comfortable, or feel like you want to know more, or feel like you got enough information to be like, oh, I really want to get those. I hope I was able to help out with that. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Your boy Markel, aka Me Money, aka Made, is out. I love y'all. Peace.
Was my voice crazy?
Made.
Yeah.
Gucci on my shoes, Gucci on my ice, Gucci on my dab, looking hecka nice.
Louis on my bag, Louis on my ice, Louis on my dab, looking really fly.
Gucci on my shoes, Gucci on my ice, Gucci on my dab, looking hecka nice.
Louis on my bag, Louis on my ice, Louis on my dab, looking really fly.
Yeah, me and my gang, looking really fly. And I put your girl on, cause she love it on my ice. Getting hecka bands is the daily life. And my drip really ready, with these haters drowning false. My chains looking heavy, got them asking what's the cost. Riding in a van with your girl around the block. When we had to